Yeah, I think that judge just accepted.
Где-то там, вдалеке, никогда ты не поймешь. Где-то там не со мной, так и не узнаешь ты.
Ooh, that acceptance. Yay, one more. Before judges. Hello everybody, welcome to today's episode on Streetlock's Trend, and we're going to be reviewing this song by Diana Ankudinova, and the title of the song is Blizzard. So I think that's a metaphor for isolation and loneliness. Like, song is talking about like how she craves this absence of somebody in her home and how she wishes that they're still there. So we always listen to and react to Diana Ankudinova songs on this platform, and we're really a big fan of her. So if you're just joining us for the first time, Diana Ankudinova is a very talented singer, and she captures the crowd, captures the listeners' attention with her stage presence. And even if you don't even like really know what she's talking about, like you can't hear her language, there's this universal acceptance. Like we know how to like reach out. We know how to understand. Like we understand where she's coming from. She's coming from a place of loneliness and like coming from a place of pain. We can relate to that. Like, so this song is just talking about isolation and loneliness and how she feels about the loss of somebody from her home.
Где-то там, за окном, ходит зима.
And she was really young here.
Сеет снег,
She was really young.
ночью и днем. И меня тишиной сводит с ума. И опять не уснуть в доме пустом. Саваном белым вьюга, дом мой укрой. Где-то ты засыпаешь, где-то, но не со мной.
Yeah, I think that judge just accepted.
Ходит февраль, ему, как и мне, сон не найти. Где-то там, вдалеке, никогда ты не поймешь. Где-то там не со мной, так и не узнаешь ты.
Ooh, that acceptance. Yay, one more. Before judges had just accepted her. Oh, okay, she's done. You can see the way that I was hooked, and I even want to stop like hearing her sing. But she's Diane, like I said, she's really talented, and she was just 15 years old when she sang this, and you could see her like strong command of her voice. Like she's really really good at what she does, and I'm so proud of her. Even if she doesn't know me, but I'm very proud of her, and I'm her number one fan, and I love Diana Ankudinova. So guys, if you guys have been following, please, and if you don't already, or if you guys are new here, please like, share, and subscribe. And we are done for today. So it's a wrap. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Love you. Love you. Love you. Love you.